All right, y'all. As the title says, it is new bike day. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning, bro, and I am super excited about this. We are going to unbox this Allez Sprint. Yo, this is a bike I've been very interested in. It's about to be it's about to be dope, right? In the colorway that I got. Oh man. Anyway, we're gonna open this box. I'm gonna show you what's inside, and I got my scale out. We're gonna do some weighing and show you how much some stuff weighs, bro. I cannot believe I had found this frame. I was calling some of my buddies who do a lot of wheeling and dealing with bikes. Nobody had this frame. I could never find it anywhere, but I found this joint out in California, sitting in somebody's warehouse, just waiting for me to buy it. And that's exactly what happened. So let's get this box open. I'm trying to see which way does it want to open. Okay, let's do this. All right, there we go. Yo, check me out. This thing is freaking dope. Oh my goodness. This is a good looking bike, bro. Oh man. I'm gonna get you get you off the tripod real quick and kind of show you. This colorway is sick, bro. This is the color. This is the one I want. Oh my goodness, with the purple and the orange and the teal. This is dope. This is dope. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. It looks so good, bro. Let me get you back on the tripod and see what else is in this box. Matter of fact, let's slide up so we can see what's really going on in this thing. Yes, as stated, this is a colorway. I think a lot of people wanted this colorway. Oh yeah. This is the frame set. We have the fork. This is packaged very well. I never had a specialized bike, bro. Never. I've built a couple of them. A bunch of my buddies have had these bikes. I've never personally owned one. But the packaging is packaged very well. Trying to see if there's anything in this box. Nope. This is that fork. Dude. Oh my goodness. It looks so good. It's like a matte kind of color with that purple. This is a pretty bike, bro. Ooh. This is going to be a sick build. This is going to be a sick build. This is the fork. All right. Let's get this. I want to say what's in here. This is the seat post. And as y'all know, the Allez is basically a Tarmac SL7 just in aluminum form. This is the seat post. I think I want a 0 degree. This comes with the 20 mil offset. And it comes with, this right now is the Ally clamps. I hope that it comes with the carbon rail, like the 7x9 joints. I want to say it would. My Factor came with additional clamps. If not, I mean, they're not expensive. I'll just pick them up. Let's see what's in this little box right here. This is, it's looking like a Specialized manual. Got to have that. Yes. What I tell you, bro? What I tell you? Came with the carbon seat post clamps. That is dope. Comes with the carbon clamps. All the small pieces for DI2 wires. What else is that? The battery seat stay. All right. Through axle. I really like the Specialized through axles. They look really good. I got some. This is when you are running the hydraulic hoses through the frame. You put this on there. It's like an insulation so that it's not smacking around in the frame making noise. You got the compression plug. We got the bearings for the headset. They got a couple of dry carbon spacers in there. Matter of fact, let me just open this up and show you so you can see. Yes, Specialized. I fucks with you, bro. These are some very nice spacers. That's what I'm talking about. These are the dry carbon. They look good. Got a little top cap. Nothing fancy, it's just plain. It feels, no, it's aluminum. I thought it might have been carbon, but it is not. Now, the Tarmac SL7 was having an issue with the compression plug a while ago, and they did a revamp, like recall, and this is the new redesigned one for people that haven't seen it. And the only reason I noticed, because like I said, I built a couple Specialized bikes. My buddy had a S-Works Tarmac SL7, and this is what the plug was looking like. So knowing that this plug is in there, that's what's up. Even though that shouldn't be an issue for me because my bike is aluminum and not carbon. Well, the fork is carbon and the seat post is carbon. Those are the exact same ones off of the Tarmac SL7. Let's get to this. Let me see. You know, I might have to get a tool so I can loosen that. I do. So we'll do a jump cut and jump right back into this. Yeah, this thing is, the through axle is in here. So we got to take him out, which isn't an issue. So we can get this complete frame off of here so I can show you a really closer look at this thing. But dude, this frame looks freaking insane, bro. It looks insane. It looks even better than the pictures, man. Every picture that I've seen of this, I was like, wow, that's a good looking bike. And now that I'm actually seeing it in person, it looks even better. Wow, oh my goodness. This is a good looking bike, bro. Yo, look at this. I'm telling you, this frame, the color of it, look at the color. Size 52, my size, and it is fairly light. I've never heard anybody complaining about the Allez. Everyone absolutely loves this bike. And I think I'm going to absolutely love it as well. All right, so let's weigh this thing up, or weigh some parts up. Where's the other through axle? We are going to get you guys a little bit closer. Bring you down. And let's see if we get some zoom. There we go. I'm liking that. All right. Let's weigh these through axles. Just interested. So I found some carbon through axles. They're about, I want to say like $300, and they are dumb light, bro. I'm considering trying them. I'm just a little worried. I'm like, do I want carbon through axles? So the through axles, they weigh 67 grams. That's pretty damn light. I don't think I'm gonna change those. Now let's weigh this fork. This is the uncut fork. It weighs 382 grams. You guys really can't see that well. Let me see if I turn it just a little bit. Is that better? I think it's better. Okay, 382 grams. And let's weigh the seat posts. 172 grams. And we need to weigh this frame set. I got my big scale up here. I don't even know if this thing comes into grams. I'm probably going to have to do a conversion, which is fine because it only has ounces, but we are going to show you how much this weighs. Just moving you around. See how much the frame weighs. I'm sorry, y'all. There we go. Okay. The frame is going to weigh throw this on here real quick. The frame weighs 53 ounces, and I'll do the conversion to grams so you can see 53.5 ounces. But yes, this is the Allez. Oh my goodness. It looks really good, bro. It looks really good. This is just the unboxing to show you what this bike actually looks like. I know I want to say that the thumbnail that I'm going to use is the new Ally color. It's like a cherry red. That joint looks dope, but that is not the one I got. This is the one I got. I really wanted this frame. It is, oh my goodness. It is a beautiful frame. The same kind of way I did my Factor. I did an unboxing, and then I did like a thorough breakdown of all the parts and components that I am using for the build. That will be the next video because I'm waiting for a couple more things to show up before I can build this bike up. But I am really looking forward to it. Like I said, I've never had a high-end aluminum bike. This was the one that I wanted to go with. I got a couple buddies who have this bike. Everyone absolutely loves it. They say it is a beast. It does not ride like aluminum. It's basically the poor man's Tarmac. And that specifically describes me, the poor man. But yeah, the bike looks dope. This is the unboxing of the Allez Sprint, bro. More to follow. Oh man, stay tuned. Stay tuned. This is going to be a very dope build. I got some crazy I got some crazy colors and additional pieces to go with this bike. Yeah. This is your boy, Mr. Robb Armstrong, and I am out.